Tools needed.
Today's video on how to replace mass airflow sensor and probably the throttle body, which means that one right there. So start with this. Voila. Okay, that's mass airflow sensor. So what you need to do is connect that connector right there and push this tab right here, push it to the left. There is another one right here, push it to the right, and you will need to get you a flat screwdriver, and there is a I'm not sure if you can see it from here, but here you go. Anyways, I'll show you what you need to disconnect. Give me a second. Here, I have another one right here. So you need to disconnect this. So right there. So you need to disconnect this. Just lift it with a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and we'll get this. This one will be free. Then after that, you need to remove this bottom piece, which means it's held by these two plastic pieces right here, this one and this one. You just push this up toward you because it's going to be connected this way to the throttle body. So you need to push this all the way to the top, a little bit to the top, and push this down. So this will set this free. Then when you do that, you will get to the throttle body, which means this, right? And the throttle body is held by 4 screws. And those 4 screws, you're gonna need E8, right? So E8, you'll need to disconnect. Remove this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, and you should see a vacuum hose. It's a hose connected right here. You just disconnect that one. So get this, and remove the connector for the throttle body, which means this one. And it should have 2 tabs right here. Push should be like this, connected like this, but there is 2 tabs right here. I already broke this one, and here is the other one right there. So push, and you can remove it, and after that you will have the throttle body free, and it should have a gasket. That gasket, it's gonna be this one right here. And that gasket, I believe, it sits like this, with this piece right here should be right there. I'm not sure if it's facing that way or this way. I'll figure out. Think this way. Who knows? I'll find out. But anyways, let's see. I'll let you know when I find out. Alright, so let's connect mine. Push this here, push that one that way. Be careful, you might break it. You might need a longer flat screwdriver to push the other one. I'm gonna try to do it from the back. Alright, I got me another screwdriver, which means longer one. Finally got it. I started using 2 flat screwdrivers trying to push both of them from here. Alright. Alright. So this one, just that is the connector. We should have a tab somewhere right here. I already broke that tab a long time ago. Alright. Disconnect this. This.
Uh-oh. It's time to remove the throttle body. That's one. And second one, this right here. And there's 2 on the bottom. Alright, here's the old one removed, and this should be like this side should be right here facing the engine side. There's a lot of oil right there, so I'm assuming the issue I have is because of the throttle body, it's not functioning. I see a lot of oil dripping on it. But anyways, I'm gonna replace it by other one that I got from the junkyard, and we'll see if it's gonna fix the problem.